just can't get my poor self together. I'm weary on the time, so weary on the time. When he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, a rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more.